What's up, guys? Got another video on the 2013 Ford Focus ST. Gonna install a rear wiper delete. So go ahead and come over to the rear of the vehicle here, and let's go ahead and remove this cover right here first. So if you kind of just pry out on these two, that'll pop this plastic cover off of there. Next, grab a 13 millimeter. Let's go ahead and take off this nut here for the wiper. Go ahead and unscrew that. Sometimes these can be pretty stiff to break off because it just corrodes back here being on the back. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull the wiper off. So to get this off, it can be kind of tricky because a lot of times you can see it wants to stick on there. So if you wiggle it back and forth, so like back and forth that way, you can see it kind of releases there. There is a special tool you can use. I'll go grab mine just in case that doesn't come off, but just wiggling it back and forth, you can usually break that free, but you can see just all the corrosion that gets on that. So this would be the special tool you could use. You can get these off of Amazon for like 10 bucks a piece, but the way it works is you get it on there like that, and then you squeeze these together, and then you go ahead and tighten this up, and that'll put pressure on the stud here, and then it'll lift the actual wiper off of there. So if you guys can't get it off by hand, you can always get one of these. Next, you can go ahead and open your hatch here. So next we need to pull off this trim piece here on both handles so we can access a couple screws behind there. And to get those off, you can use a small flathead screwdriver or just kind of a small pry tool like this. And you get up under here and kind of pull down. Just kind of pry it off of here, just like that. Same with the other side here. Just like that. Next, you're going to grab a 7 millimeter, and you can see you got a screw there, and then over here on the other handle, same thing, 2 7 millimeter screws. So let's go ahead and unscrew those. Okay, so next we need to kind of pop this panel off here. So it's held in by a bunch of clips, kind of similar to these ones here. This side's kind of loose already just from taking the screws out. This side here, you just kind of pull down on the handle. Get your fingers up under here. And just kind of pry. You can hear it kind of pop off of there. Let's get this other side. Pry down. Same on this side here. Just like that. You can see that's what some of these look like. You can see it's just these metal clips everywhere. Looks like we lost a couple, but they fell on the ground there. So get that out of the way. Now we got access to the wiper motor here. So you can see this wiring harness here. There's gonna be a tab right here. You're gonna push in and then just pull out and unplug that. Then grab an 8 millimeter. Let's remove these 3 bolts for the wiper motor. Then you should be able to just kind of pull down on that, just like that. Next, we need to pop this out. So I'm just going to kind of push up on it. Feed that through the top. And then go ahead and grab hold of it up the top. Go ahead and feed that through the rest of the way. You can see there's that piece. And then you should be able to just go ahead and pull off this gasket here. You can also just kind of push that through the glass as well. So just like that. Okay, so here's the delete kit we're going to be putting on that. So it is James Bariner Racing. And go ahead and open this up. Comes with a little postcard here. for installation instructions, all that kind of stuff. And here's our rear wiper delete. So this is going to be our little plug. Comes with a O-ring on there, your bolt, and then your cap for the back as well, inside glass there. So let's go ahead and get this on. So first thing I want to do is just grab your outside plug here, and you want to make sure this O-ring is fully seated in here. So, because it likes to pop out of there, you want to make sure that's fully seated. If not, you'll have leaks. And then you take your bolt along with your lock washer. You're going to stick that through the inside plug, and then this rubber washer here, you're going to set like that. So this is going to go through the windshield and then screw into this on the outside. So go ahead and stick your outside cap through, or set it on top here. We can adjust it here in a little bit, and then go ahead and take this, just get this kind of started through there. Just get that kind of finger tight for now. Once you get that centered where you want it, we can go ahead and take a 10mm. We're going to tighten this up. Now this is very important. So there's that lock washer, and you want to tighten that up until that lock washer is flat. Once that's flat, you want to go just a half turn more. That's all it says to do in the instructions. Because if you go any tighter than that, you take the chance of shattering your whole rear glass here. So I'm just going to go ahead and slowly tighten this to where I see that lock washer flat. So it's about flat right there. I'll go 1/2 turn more, or a half a turn more. Right there. That's all I'm going to go. Because like I said, you do not want to shatter that glass. So we should be good right there. And then before we get our panel on, let's just go ahead and remove these as well. So you can just pull these off. That's what the bolts for the motor went through. That way they don't rattle or come off of there. So now go ahead and get your panel back into place. Line up your clips here. Put that where it needs to go. And then you should be able to just kind of pop those in. Make sure all those seat. Just like that. Grab your 4 7mm screws, and let's go ahead and screw those in. Get your 2 caps back on, and if you notice, these clips came out with this one over there. You can see these ones kind of stuck on there. So I'm just going to pull these off of here and stick them back on here. Just kind of something like that. Get this in place. Snap that back in there, and same with this one. Just like that. All right, guys, so here's the final product. You can see a nice clean finish to it. That looks a lot better. And also some weight reduction, because that rear wiper motor is probably a good 5 pounds or more. So definitely a weight reducer. So that's going to do it for the video. Again, this was a 2013 Ford Focus ST. Went ahead and installed the James Bariner Racing rear wiper delete. Gives it a nice, clean, sleek look. And hopefully this video helps you out. If it does, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Check out all my other videos. I got quite a few on this car alone, so check those out when you get a chance. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.